Hello everyone, welcome to Mind Maps. In this video lecture, we are discussing polarography. What is polarography? It is a method of voltammetry, right? Voltammetry. What happens in voltammetry? We measure current, voltage, right? So what special thing this polarography has is it has a electrode that is known as DME. Right, what is DME? DME is dropping mercury electrode, right? This acts like a cathode, right? Now when cathode is present, we must have an anode. So the anode is SCE, standard calomel electrode. The reaction that happens is 2Hg plus 2Cl minus gives Hg2Cl2. Okay, now what is the source of mercury? It is stored in a reservoir. Okay, we have a leveling bulb, flexible tubing, and mercury drops from a capillary that is 5 to 10 centimeters in length and 0.4 to 0.08 mm in diameter, right? So now this is the construction. We have two tubes, right? Both the solutions are separated by a sintered glass plug. Since it is a process of voltammetry, what do we measure? We measure current and voltage. So we have voltage scanning device and current measuring device, right? So all this is sealed. In the next video lecture, we will be directly skipping to the graph, what kind of graph we obtain. Basically what happens is we have ions, okay, in the test solution. Okay, so when a drop of mercury drops into the solution, the ions get reduced. Okay, so when all this is happening, there's a change in current, voltage, so that we measure, and we can find out many things using this technique. So I hope you enjoyed this lecture. Thank you.